This is a MACS quick tip. MACS, the world leading resource and voice for sustainable mobile AC and thermal management, driving innovation and best practices across global automotive and off-highway service sectors. My name is G. Trulia, I'm your presenter. And a quick tip, did you know to check the compressor oil? Check and fill with the correct amount of oil. Some compressors come dry, some compressors come with too much oil or too little oil. Make sure you put the specific oil that compressor is requesting. Here we have a bottle of electric AC oil from Motorcraft and one from AC Delco. There's tons of different brands, but make sure you use the right one. Add oil to the condenser, driver, evaporator, and accumulator before you put it in. So we use like a bottle like this to put it in, or anything, a turkey baster, and you can use good oil like this, universal oil with dye, okay? But make sure you look up in all data, ProDemand, Identifix, Motologic, the amount of oil that goes in each component. Always use the correct compressor oil and only add 2 ounces of oil dye if the system has some loss. Too much oil will cause the system to not run as efficient as it should and may cause problems. That's our quick tip. Thank you. Don't forget to get your MACS 609. You can go to MACS and get it there, or Proctor Lead. Thank you.